I'm serious. It's not safe. Stop being an asshole. I'm not being an asshole. I'm trying to get to them. You're always trying to get yourself killed, and I can't let it happen again. Stop being so selfish, please. If you go on there, you're gonna die, and I can't deal with it again. You can't die because I can't deal with it again. Don't let it happen again, please. Please don't let it happen again. Not you.
I miss my best friend.
Yeah, I miss my best friend too. Silver lining. If it fails, we both go down. If you die, I die.
You die, I die.
You die, I die.